Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Facebook Lite to save memory on Nothing Phone 3. Let's begin. By default, Facebook itself is a pretty large application, especially if you tend to use it a lot. It will grow and grow and grow in size until it becomes way too big, to be honest. So we can fix that with a very simple thing. First, let's head into our Play Store. Go into search bar and type Facebook. Now, as you can see, we have similar app available, Facebook Lite. We can click on it. And as you can see now, we can install our Facebook Lite. But before we do that, I would advise you to just uninstall the original Facebook. Of course, if you are aware that you know your password, so you can log in without any issues. Let's hit uninstall. Now we can view our Facebook Lite. Note the size of the application, 2.7 megabytes. And note the Facebook size by default. And this is not even the real size, as after some packaging and installing additional resources, the size will be tremendously higher than is already written here. So yeah. But now you can simply hit install. And your Facebook Lite is now installed and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.